Good morning, students. It's class 5th. Welcome in your computer class. Your first chapter is Know Your Computer. And learning objectives. Learning objective means after studying this chapter, what types of things, what types of topics you will learn, you have been learned. After the completion of this chapter, learner will be able to understand how the computer stores information, appreciate the concept of memory, differentiate between primary and secondary memory, RAM and ROM, appreciate the use of secondary storage media, measure storage capacity, understand the basic design of CPU. After studying this chapter, or we can say completion of this chapter, learner means you will be able to these types of things you can understand. Yes, chapters are lengthy beta, so we will point out headings, main definitions. Okay, firstly in introduction, we are talking about memory. Computer memory is used for storing the data or information. In computer we store number of things, a lot of things which are stored in computer memory, or we can say we can store data in computer memory. There are different types of memory which we used to store data or information. Clear? Yes. Next thing is there are two pictures. You will tell me the difference between these two pictures. Can you tell me? Yes, beta. Check these cards. In first row, first card is 1, and in second card, in first row, first column, there is also 1. But in second row, there are 2 in both cards. In also second row, these are also same. But in third row beta, first column, there is 5 and there is 3. It is difference. And in next also it is 5 and there is 4. In this way beta, there is difference between these cards. Identify it and write in these 4 points. You will write here in third row first column, and in second you will write in third row second column. Next in fourth row first column, because arrangement is different here. Fourth row first column, and in next fourth row third column, there is 2 and there is 3. Yes, write difference between these cards. Clear? Next, on page number 3, memory. We already discussed here memory. What is memory? Memory stores information. Like computer use its memory to store the data and information. In human brain, a lot of things are stored in our memory. We learn when any person asks from us something, we recall it from memory and tell him or her that thing. In same way, computer also have memory. Yes. Understand what is memory? Memory in computer also has brain, that is called we can say memory. Next, there are 2 types of memory beta. First is primary memory. In primary memory, there is 2 types, RAM and ROM. The firstly type of memory is 2 types, primary memory and next is secondary memory. But firstly we are talking about primary memory, so it is also called internal memory there are two types of primary memory. First is RAM and second is ROM. RAM is called random access memory and ROM is called रीड ओनली मेमोरी. रैम बेटा इस तरह का होता है, जो ये आपको दिखाई दे रही है ना, ग्रीन कलर की होती है, ये CPU के अंदर इंसर्ट होती है. एंड नेक्स्ट दिस इज रोम विच स्टोर डाटा ओनली फॉर रीडिंग. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रैम इज रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी एंड फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रोम इज रीड ओनली मेमोरी. रैम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी. रोम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी. In RAM, data can be read or write. We can read data from RAM, and write also. We can also write data in RAM. But ROM can only be read in ROM when first time we write the data. After that, we can only read that data. We can't write again. Next, third point is it is volatile in nature. RAM is volatile. Volatile means the data is stored temporary. It means beta, when suppose you are writing in computer, it means you are working in RAM, you are writing in RAM. But if there is power off or switch off the light, we lose that data which are written in computer because वी हैव नॉट सेव दैट डाटा. हमने वो डाटा सेव नहीं किया था, तो वो किस में था, रैम में ही था. जब हम उसको सेव कर देंगे तो वो सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में चला जाता है. जब तक हमने उसको सेव नहीं किया तब तक वो रैम में ही था. और रैम में जो भी डाटा होता है वो अगर जब तक हम उसको सेव नहीं करेंगे वो रैम में ही रहेगा. और रैम में डाटा टेम्परेरी होता है, सो वो डाटा लॉस हो जाता है. एंड व्हेन पावर इज स्विच ऑफ द डाटा इज नॉट लॉस्ट. ROM is non-volatile in nature. The data is stored permanently. In RAM, data stored temporary, and in ROM, data stored permanently. In RAM, the data and instruction, it holds the data and the instruction required and used during processing. डाटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन जो भी इसको चाहिए ये उसको होल्ड करके रखता है एंड यूज़ ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेसिंग. और प्रोसेसिंग के टाइम इसको हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं. एंड इन रोम इट होल्ड द सिस्टम स्टार्टअप इंस्ट्रक्शन. सिस्टम को स्टार्ट करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रक्शन चाहिए, बायस का सेटअप चाहिए, विच इज़ स्टोर्ड बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर. मैन्युफैक्चरर जब सिस्टम को डिज़ाइन करता है तब वो उसके अंदर उस डाटा को स्टोर करके रखता है, वो रोम में स्टोर कर देता है. और जब भी हम सिस्टम को ऑन करते हैं तो सिस्टम उस रोम में से बायस मतलब बेसिक इनपुट आउटपुट सिस्टम, उसकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को वहाँ से उठा के हमारे सिस्टम में लेकर आता है ताकि हमारा सिस्टम ऑन हो जाए. सो रोम इज़ ओनली रीड ओनली मेमोरी. वी कांट राइट इन दिस मेमोरी. क्लियर एवरीवन बेटा, डिफरेंस बिटवीन रैम एंड रोम. Understand it carefully, and if there is any issue or problem then discuss with me beta. Try activity of page number 2, and also there is an activity of page number 5. YouTube link is available here. This link you will type on YouTube and video will be available there. Watch that video and write 5 components which you will see in that video. Okay beta, your homework is try page number 2 and page number 5 activity, and page number 4 learn, that is difference between RAM and ROM. Okay beta, goodbye, God bless you.